Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to delete your Threads account permanently. If you've been wondering how to do this, or if it's even possible, then stick around because I've got all the details for you. Let's get started. If you want to delete your Threads account permanently, follow these steps. First, open your Threads profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the two lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on the option labeled Account. Here, you'll find the option Deactivate Profile. Tap on it, and then click Deactivate Threads Profile to deactivate your account. It's important to note that deactivating your Threads profile will not affect your Instagram account. This means you can continue using Instagram even after deactivating Threads. However, if you want to permanently delete your Threads account, you'll need to delete your Instagram account as well. Currently, Threads is linked to Instagram, so deleting Instagram automatically deletes Threads. Meta is aware of this limitation and is working on a solution to allow users to delete their Threads profile separately in the future. Now, let me guide you to where this is officially mentioned. To find more details, go back to Settings in the Threads app. Scroll down and tap Help, then select the Help Center option. In the Help Center, scroll until you find the article titled Temporarily Deactivate Your Threads Profile. Open the article and scroll down to the very bottom. There, you'll see the option to delete your Instagram account. If you choose to delete your Instagram account, your Threads account will also be permanently deleted. Before proceeding, it's worth considering waiting for Meta's update. The company is actively working on providing an option to delete Threads profiles separately from Instagram accounts. If this is something you're interested in, keeping your account active for now might be the best option. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.